In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect ChatGPT to n8n. To do this, first just open up your n8n workflow, or in this case, I'll just go and create one. And then what you want to go and do is just click on plus and select AI. From there, select whatever AI you want to use. I'll just select OpenAI. And from here, let's say I want to create an assistant. Now, whatever you want to do with it doesn't really matter. But what you want to do is here go to credential to connect with and click on select credential and create a new credential. Now, to do this, what you will see you're going to need is an API key. To find this, what you want to do is go to openai.com. From there in the left menu, click on For Developers, and here click Start Building. Now what you want to go and do is just click on Sign Up in the top right, and then continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or email. And after doing that, you will then see your account, so that means you will now have signed up. Now from here, what you want to go and do is in the top left menu, click on the search bar and simply type in API keys, and then under Settings, you'll see API keys. Go and click on this. Now what you want to do is click Create New Secret Key. Now here you can give it a name, such as n8n. Then you can select a project, and from there just click Create Secret Key. Now you can also set the permissions right here, but I'm just going to set it to all. From there you want to then copy this key, then go back to n8n, and here in the API key section, simply paste it in, and now go and click on Save. And now you can see the connection has been tested successfully. And now you can see I have the credential to connect with my OpenAI account, and it's now in the list right here, and I can now use it. So if I click execute previous nodes, in this case I don't have a previous node, but then it will use my ChatGPT API key to do this. You can also select a model right here, for example ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 4 Turbo. You can even select GPT-5 Mini. So just select whichever model you want to use, and then it will use that model. You can also give it specific instructions, a description for yourself, as well as a name. You can do the code interpreter and knowledge retrieval, but now essentially you know how to connect ChatGPT to n8n. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.